These are going to be the parking garage elevators at the Woodruff Arts Center in Atlanta, Georgia. These elevators serve the parking garage. And here's the button. Desilducy is filmed piece.
Welcome. This elevator is going down.
It's a talking elevator. You can talk for people. There go the doors. We take a couple rides on these.
Yeah. Same thing with the
I think
skylight.
That floor passing chime is a bit sick sounding, kind of. Here, P1.
Parking level 1.
Campus level.
Welcome. This elevator is going up.
Let's see what kind of motor this elevator has. Very interesting elevator. It's nice as well.
Yeah.
Campus level. Welcome. This elevator is going down.
Nice floor. I like the cabs on these elevators actually. There's the lighting. You can see the hydraulic ram. There's your floor indicator. What can you shoot the capacity?
3,500 pounds.
Okay. These are the buttons. YouTube user Desilducy has filmed these actually. Here's the inspection certificate. These
Parking level 1. Welcome. This elevator is going up.
One thing I like is that the way they color code the floors, like you see the browns there. I would probably think these are custom made elevators actually. There's the bell where it emerges for the alarm. I like the ceiling actually. We're at the campus level.
Campus level.
Now that was an awesome elevator. There's the other elevator. There it goes. And that's it.